Delivery day. Today we got a couple boxes of tile from the Tile Club, and I have not even looked at any of these. I've looked in this box, which is some really nice mosaics, some tiles that they gave us, and I'll show you a couple right here. There's a cool glass hexagon, Coastal Dreams hexagon glass mosaic. Some really nice, this looks more like some pool tile that they have, but some of the 4x4 squares that they're offering. And these can be in a pool, shower. That looks beautiful. Look at that right there. One of their, looks like a matte finish, sea color. Tile Club has very beautiful designs, colors, finishes, stuff that not everybody carries, which is why I love being a dealer for them. And now we get to these. These boxes, they say we have a blue mood board, glam mood board, green mood board, and a natural wood. I'm just gonna start on the bottom left. And we got the green. Green mood board right here, opening up this tile. Let's just see what this looks like. That's a really cool ceramic subway tile. And it has a little indentation design right here. Some white tiles, star shape. Oh, these are nice. I mean, these are all very, very nice quality. Like I said, the finishes. Oh, wow, that would look. That's beautiful. Look at that photo. There's so many. I won't go through everyone in each box. Packing peanuts everywhere, but I'm gonna open up another one. Let's see what we got. This, maybe the glam. It looks pretty glam. Has some nice colors. Ooh, look at those paired together. Yeah, I know that tile's really nice. My mom's showing me that last tile I showed y'all. Let's see, I'm just gonna dig in here real quick again. Oh, it looks like some terrazzo. Wow, I love this design, that color. That's very cool. You can offer some really nice natural wood colors with that. Black gold fixtures. That is nice. Outside, inside, really anywhere you can think of. Another star right here, more of like a terracotta color. I'm not sure what box that was. More of the flowers. Just to show a little sneak peek. Packing peanuts everywhere. Let's see. I want to see. This must be the glam, actually. Oh wow. It's a silver picket. Has like a metallic finish. And just your under cabinet lighting. Just off of that, it looks really nice. The finish is very smooth. One more from here. I see some gold. We always like gold. Now it has a really nice, just gold accent. It looks like one of those rocks that they split in half. Like the aggregate or stuff like that. Look at that photo. So much in here. One more box, and then I will take all this stuff out and take some better photos for y'all. This is the green. Oh wow! Look at a dark green on that, but look at that one. Sweet. We have, oh yeah, we do have one of those. Let's see if I can show you something else. Oh, this design is nice too. Santa Barbara sky blue decorative cross. Either that way, or you can. Well, there's multiple ways that you can design this to incorporate into your areas, into your layouts. A lot of things. like I said, the Tile Club, this isn't even a quarter of what they sent me in these little boxes. They have a lot of little stuff stacked up in here, wrapped up really nicely. Can't wait to display all this stuff in our showroom here, Kitchen and Bath Solutions Showroom Design Center, located in New Braunfels. We are your one-stop shop for remodels, new home construction, interior finish outs, any design projects that you may have. We do cabinetry, 3D designs provided with full professional installations, also with countertops if you'd like. But the Tile Club, like I said, is just a new brand that we are dealers for, that we are very, very excited for. A company that offers a little bit more than the rest. So y'all be sure to stay tuned to see what kind of projects we put together.